Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can farm more stars on Dress to Impress. So join their Discord, and in playing, there's going to be a lot of farming servers. So you're just going to select the server. Then it's going to bring you here and you're just going to select open Roblox. And hopefully I'm joined to that one, because sometimes you have to queue, but I am here. And mostly you can wear anything you want. There are AFK servers. There's ones where you cannot be AFK. But for this one, I think you're allowed to. But I'm just going to, I guess, try to put on a quick outfit. It's going to be super quick. Like the quickest outfit you'll ever see in your life. But what basically these servers do is they will give you 5 stars no matter what. It's different than just like normal servers, of course. I did this when I wanted to have the trendsetter one because I really needed that dress, and I know I knew it was gonna take a while if I didn't. So yeah, you're just going to join these servers, and here, as you can see, I'm already a trendsetter, so I'm able to put this one on. You also have to be a runway queen to be able to use that bag. So that's what basically I like use that for, I guess. Oh, I can't. And that's pretty much how you can earn more stars by joining farming servers. It's less fun, I must admit. But I just did it because I needed that title and I needed that dress. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.